everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Vic, Texas. Today I am going to take you to my local warehouse, and we are end of February, early March, and it is like summertime at the Costco warehouse. Look at this. I mean, you've got everything for the beach, for the pool, for the yard, gardening. It finally looks like spring is here. Summer is here, at least at the store. I actually love that flamingo. I love this one. I'm waiting to see if it's going to get on sale, and the girls really wanted to get the flamingos. We will see, but everything. So here's the little scooters, but look at that. That's the first thing you see when you pass the front door. The Shark Cave Adventure. So that's actually pretty big size, but $400. It is not cheap either, but pretty nice. Of course, the kids love it. So for the pool, for the beach, probably more for the pool. Yeah, you've got all the noodles. So these are the same as last year. They've had these for a few years already. I would wait for them to get on sale. So you've got the chairs, different kinds, $40, $29, depending on the kind you want. That one actually came with an umbrella. See, look, for the beach. Already end of February in Texas, and they're setting you up for the beach with the water balloons. So here we're moving more towards the gardening, and they have a lot of flower bulbs that are a really great deal if you want to add flowers to your garden. So we actually got one of these bags. We just planted a few. We're going to see how they turn out, but yeah, a very good variety and quite a good price given the quantity you have inside. Variety and quantity. So here it's more the patio garden furniture, plenty. They are not necessarily on the cheap side, but it looks like good quality here. Very sturdy furniture, but yes, not the cheapest. So here it was like 2,000. How much? 300, 2,300 for the seating. I mean, they're really good. They look really, really, really good. But yeah, you need to spend, look at that. Yeah, it's a 4-piece with a pretty large sofa. People were actually just sitting and enjoying the patio furniture when we were at the warehouse. Very nice table as well, 6 chairs, $1,400. So all this, I mean, it's time to get outside. It really is Texas, huh? Texas. About the same price here, just a different style, at least for the chairs. But pretty nice as well. Very, very nice, and they have some good sets. So that one is more of a high chair table, if you like high chair tables. And the price was, I think, a bit more, yeah, $2,000. So a tiny bit more on that one, but pretty nice as well. But yeah, everything ready for the patio. We spent quite a bit of time with the girls looking at the flower bulbs, getting some soil for the garden, but everything was ready. I mean, the chairs, yeah, the cushions. It really felt it was summer anyway outside. It was 82, 85 outside. It's Houston area, so it's already pretty warm. So barbecue, look at that. You have the barbecue, so $80 here for that barbecue. But you have a good range to choose from. Variety of prices as well. So these are the smaller one, cheaper, 150, and then you get into the larger, bigger barbecue. Look at that one. That's actually a pretty nice one. And $500 with the 97 cents, which means it's really on one of the last items to go. So it was probably more expensive than that a few weeks ago, or probably last year, because I'm thinking that must come from last year. They're leftovers, the one that they put already on sale. But yeah, look at that one. Pretty cool, no? The price is pretty cool too. Yeah, $700 with the asterisk and the 97 cents. Must be an old item they want to get rid of. So the flags, the patio heater, look at that one. Pretty nice as well. But yeah, everything was out. So patio heater, you're gonna tell me summertime in Texas, we don't need it. That's more for a winter thing, and that's right. Wine barrel, fire pit. Yeah. That one, how much was it? No, $500. Wow, I wonder which one it was on that one. I thought it's the barrel. 400 for this fire stove. Another, ooh, that one looks good, right? Stainless steel, probably 280. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And now something very important for us here on the Gulf Coast, because it's very humid and we have a lot of mosquitoes. So these are two mosquito solutions. I was very interested. So the first one you see here works with refills, with a mosquito repellent inside. I need to do some research, get some reviews to see whether it's effective or not. It was anyway more expensive than the other one. And if I can do without the refills, I'd rather do without the refills. But that's an option. So first one was $78. The second one was a slightly bit cheaper, $50, and it's a trap. So it's a different mechanism, 3-way insect control. Once again, I don't know if that works. I need to do a bit of research, look at the reviews, Dynatrap. But if it does, it could be a good option. It works with UV lights, as you can see here. Combination of UV lights, warmth, and CO2. Well, maybe we have so many mosquitoes. Having a good solution for the patio backyard is a good idea here. But yes, everything was out, including all the flowers, soil, and the garden beds. So these are two garden beds I actually bought earlier online. They were $20 off, so it was an actually really good deal. And I did install them in the backyard in the big city. Very easy to install. I mean, I did it alone with the girls in less than half an hour. It looks really good and pretty sturdy. I would say quality is nice. For the price, I would definitely recommend. We have the two over there. We already put some soil, planted, as you can see here, and really liking it. But yes, everything was out. You can see some chairs here, lounge chairs that look very comfortable. My daughter enjoyed her little break at the store. But yeah, it just felt good to see all these spring, summertime items, including mower for the yard. They had it all. They were just running low in soil because people were buying. We say inflation, lack of money. Well, people are still buying plenty here from what I see. Even the floaties were out. So you've got good selection actually of kayaks. This is just one. You've got more on the other side. And all the floaties. And some of them are just too big for a pool. They're for the lake, for the ocean. Very nice, very tempting. I had a hard time getting the girls out of that area. Look at that unicorn. I mean, they loved the unicorn. But you have some solutions that are a bit cheaper and smaller as well, including for the smaller kids. So they have a good variety. But yeah, everything is out. Summertime, pool, lake, river. You got it right now in February in Texas. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of my local warehouse. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. More to come on the raised beds in the garden. Thank you all for watching.